Hello, dear awakened entrepreneur. Welcome to the Awakened Entrepreneurship podcast. I'm Valerie and I'm so excited to share this first episode with you. Today, we are diving into a question I often get during my workshop and mentoring session. How do I recognize intuition and distinguish it from instinct? This came up recently in my intuitive strategic planning for 2025 workshop. And I realized it's sometimes many of us struggle with the conscious entrepreneur. So both instinct and intuitions are powerful, yet they come from different places and guide us in different ways. So, in this episode, I'll explain the difference between instinct and intuition, share how to recognize them in your business, and give you practical tips to start trusting your intuition more. Let's start with instinct. Instinct is primal, it's the biological drive to ensure our survival. It's fast, reactive, and often rooted in fear and the need for safety. Think of it as your fight and flight response. It's what kicks in when you feel threatened or stressed. In business, instinct might show up as feeling pressured to accept an offer quickly because you fear missing out, or reacting defensively in a tense conversation with a client when you don't feel aligned, or when it's fear based actually. So instinct is valuable when you need to act fast, but it's not always aligned with your higher purpose and your higher self. It often feels urgent, tense, and fueled by fear or the need to protect. And what about your intuition? Let's talk about it. Intuition is a higher guidance. It's that deep inner knowing that doesn't always make sense, but feels undeniably true. Unlike instinct, it doesn't come from fear, it comes from the heart. The heart is the gateway between your intuition and your higher self, and the intuition is the messenger of your soul. When it comes with the energy of your heart, whether through values, meditation, or working on your heart chakra, we create space for intuition to emerge more clearly. In my own journey, intuition often shows up as a gentle nudge or a feeling that in the heart space or in my body that says this is the right path. Yeah, something like goosebump, but good goosebump, not fear based. A sense of alignment and ease, even when a decision challenges conventional logic. So, it's not logical. It feels right, actually. For example, there was a time when I had a logical plan laid out for my business, but my heart whispered, pause and wait. It doesn't feel right. And when I listened, unexpected and perfectly aligned opportunity arrived. So, an opportunity I could never have planned for before listening to my intuition. Intuition is always guiding us towards alignment, growth, and probably impact as well. It requires trust and a willingness to open the heart. But when we do, it leads us to profound clarity. Even we may feel a little bit vulnerable because of this opening of the heart. Key differences between instinct and intuition. Let's summarize. So the origin of instinct is biological and primal, and intuition is spiritual and from your higher self, from the soul or the universe or your guide. Energy is, yes, the energy of instinct is reactive and urgent, and the one of intuition is calm and clear. The emotion, often fear based for instinct, and grounded and peaceful for intuition. And the purpose of instinct is to ensure survival, and for your intuition, it's to, yeah, to guide alignment and growth, and to ensure you are on your right path, the one of your inner truth. Um, a helpful way to tell them apart is to check your body. Instinct feels tense and rush. It might make your heart race. Intuition feels light, calm, expansive, or like you are looking forward to something with ease and excitement. Um, Here are three simple ways to start tuning into your intuition. First of all, pause before acting. Take a breath and ask yourself, is this fear speaking, or is it inner guidance? Is it from coming from my heart? You feel it in your body, actually. Second, create space for stillness. Spend time meditating or journaling. Intuition needs quiet to emerge, and trust and time. And so the third point is trust small nudges. Start by following small intuition prompts. Each time you do, you'll build more confidence and recognize its voice. Yeah, you has to. Yeah, it's like a training. You have to work on your intuition as well as each muscles in your body. Thank you so much for tuning into this first episode of the Awakened Entrepreneurship podcast. I hope this has given you clarity on the difference between instinct and intuition and how they can guide your business decisions. If this resonates with you, I'd love to hear about your thoughts and experiences. When was the last time you followed your intuition? How did it feel? Is it here on a daily basis, or how is it for you? Reply to this post or share your story with me the way you want. I'm looking forward to meet you in the next episode. This is just the beginning of our journey, so yes, I feel very enthusiastic. See you soon.